Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you my 3 strategy in VM Daruja. I only use 3 strategy. Okay, I only use 3 strategy in the VM Daruja. So today I will show you which is the 3 strategy I am using in VM Daruja. Completely I will show you. So before going to video, please watch the video. Completely watch video. So if you don't subscribe me, I don't think about subscription. If you interested in learning, please watch complete video. Without complete video, you can't understand. You only comment me, sir, I didn't understand, I didn't understand. I know I didn't understand, but I will solve you. Without watching with the full video, you can't understand. So I will request you, please watch video until end. Okay, let's start the video. Before showing light ray, I will explain in paint. So one first strategy is very simple. I will use POC, break and retest strategy. Okay. This is the candlestick. Okay. This is the values. This is the vertical variance. Okay. So first one, POC, breakout and retest. Okay. So this is the POC point. You can see here, this is the POC as per example here, because this is the highest value. So market candlestick break this POC and again going up and retest. Okay, retest this POC. You can trade here. Okay, okay, this is the wick. So which is the confirmation in this candle. So after breakout this, the market will reverse in this POC. First one rule is the market close didn't break this POC. First one rule is if you trade in POC retest levels, market don't break this POC up in this level. The market cannot break this level. The first one rule is, and second one confirmation is here. Bar candlestick. You can see this is the candlestick. So the market give us sudden big value in this candle. Okay, this previous candle is low and this candle should be greater than this previous candle. This current candle, this which is the retest candle, this is the bigger than this candle. Okay, this is the second confirmation. After you get this confirmation, you can buy 1 minute candle to buy option here. Okay, this is the POC retest. Okay, and this is the one. This is the same scenario in seller's candle. Okay, so how can you buy a seller setup? I will show you. The market suddenly break and retest this. Okay, retest this and candlestick here. So in the seller setup, the market suddenly break. Okay, this POC suddenly break and after a few minutes the market retest this POC without break. Okay, without break retest and exactly close in the POC points. Okay, after retest, one rule is, if you trade in retesting POC points, the market could not cross this POC. When the retesting happened, the market didn't suddenly break this POC. If you suddenly break the POC, you could not trade here. You should not trade here. That is a missing trade. Don't trade this type. Only you have to trade when the market didn't cross. After when retesting happened, the market could not break this POC, and this one is a confirmation. Okay, second confirmation is the buyers. This is the buyer's candle. Okay, this is must be buyer's candle, and this buyer's candle should be a high volume compared to this previous volume. So this is a high volume because this candle is bigger than this one. Okay, this candle is bigger than this one. This is the confirmation. This must be a buyer's candle. This volume is bigger than this one. This is the two confirmation. After you getting these two confirmation, as it is same on in buyer setup. Okay, this is the seller setup as it is in a buyer setup. If the retesting happen here in seller, this is the must be seller's candle. Okay, and buyer setup, this is the must be seller's candle, and this value must be bigger than this one previous candle. That is the confirmation. In the seller's candle also this is the must be seller's candle in the retesting to take a trade, and this value is must be greater than this one. Okay, I think you understand what I am saying. After you get this scenario, you can sell here. This one is confirmation. Okay, after you get this confirmation, 80 or 82% you will get a winning trade here. This is the one strategy, and second strategy is simple. Okay, second strategy I will explain you. This is the horizontal volume, this is the vertical volumes, this is the candlesticks. Okay, this is the values. Okay, this is the POC points values are here. This is the POC points. So market is this is the divergence setup. Okay, the market is increasing the price, but volumes are decreasing. Okay, this is the divergence curve. So this one setup is very powerful. This is the 85% is winning ratio. Okay, the market is increasing, but the divergence, the volumes are decreasing. You can see volumes are decreasing, the price is increasing. So this is the divergence. You will know also divergence are no stock people are no divergence, but how to use this, don't know how to use when to confirmation. This is important in the IQ option or binary option platform. So when market diverging, okay, when market diverging, so this is the first confirmation. This is the divergence. So how to trade in the divergence? This is very important. If you get any POC point here, and if there is any binary option platform, there is any support, support resistance area. This is the resistance area, or you don't there any resistance, that is okay. If there any resistance area in here, okay, this is second confirmation resistance. When candle, so this is very important, when candle pull up a buyers, so 1 minute, so divergence, the divergence. Okay, so confirmation, second confirmation is here. When there is a resistance previous, when pull up buyers, there is no wick, no, you can see any small wick, that is a okay. Then pull up buyers candlestick available in VM or Aruja, and when low volume is available, to compare to all this candle, when low volume available, or so you can compare to previous volume. When this volume is compared to this volume, it is a low, it should be low. That is the second confirmation. This candle will confirm when pull up buyers is here, so you can sell next candle definitely, but it is must be a buyer's candle. So this volume is must be lower than previous candle, previous value. This is the confirmation. So you can sell 1 minute per 1 minute. So this strategy is a 85 above percentage winning ratio, as it is in seller's candle, seller setup. So I will show. I think understand. This is the POC points available here. So price is decreasing. Price is decreasing, but volumes are increasing one by one. Like this. So how to confirm this trade? So this is the reverse trading. This is the buyer setup. Okay. In this trade, because volume are increasing but price are decreasing. This is the seller setup. I think buyer setup. Sorry, buyers. This is the divergence. So in this trade, how to confirm? In the near support area, you have to trade here. So when candle pull up sellers, sorry. So when candle come with pull up sellers, with high volume. This is very important because this is shows me absorption candle. When pull up, this is the must be pull up sellers candle. If there is any wick, small wick, that is okay, no problem. But you have to pull up body sellers and near a support area. So second confirmation is volume. So when this current volume, the pull up sellers with, and also the sellers must be sellers candle is here to trade by. When this volume, you have to compare to previous one. When this previous volume is bigger than this one, you can enter the trade. This candle must be greater than this previous candle. So you have to compare. This is must be high volume to compare the previous volume. You can buy a next candle for 1 minute here. So this one is a strategy. I think understand. Yeah. So third strategy I will show you. POC breakout again. So this is the POC point. Okay. When market break this POC, again after a few minutes, the market will came here. So candlestick here, values are here. So in this you have to enter here. How to confirm the value? So this is the confirmation. When 3 candle, so you have to compare. This is the divergence, okay, in this PO sequence. The price is decreasing, okay. The 3 candle, you have to compare 3 candle, the price, the volume are increasing. So first one is to break this POC and retest. You have to compare the POC which is the candlestick. The first one candlestick big, the second candlestick is small to compare this, and third candle is very small compared to this candle. You have to 3 candle confirmation to test the POC part. And the volume are, this volume is big, this volume is, so 3 volume are increasing. So I think understand you. My English is not correct, please forgive me. So you have to compare to 1 by 1 candle. So when POC is retest with high volume, we can buy option. You have to compare 3 candle and compare 3 volumes. So this is the same as it is in seller setup, okay. So I will show some live trade if this is available, okay. This is the Euro USD pair. You can see this is the volume are diverging. So wait for to come. Okay. I only use which explain in video. I only use 3 strategy. So besides I don't use any strategy in the volume analysis jobs, okay. You have to watch again and again video. In this video you can easily learn. This is the last video about explanation video. I only trade in a live account, okay. This is the basic and advanced is finishing. This after this video I only trade with live market and explain, okay. You have to wait for confident to trade here. If there is any signal available, I can trade, okay. If don't available, I will not trade. Always wait for right moment to enter trade. Also you have to 1 hour or 2 hour daily you have to practice. It is very important. At least 1 hour, maximum 2 hour you have to practice. So I will suggest you all who are watching my video, I will suggest you please as possible as you don't focus in binary action, only focus in forex trading, okay. Forex trading, I also given the link in description, some good broker, and also they provide the ECN. Also you have to, if you want to register the IQ option, I also provide the link in description in YouTube channel, YouTube video description. In this YouTube channel, YouTube video description, you can register by using that link, okay. I think there is no signal available. see here there is a support previous, this is becomes a resistance now. There is a previous support and break this support, completely break this support by this candle, and now this is the resistance happening. I will buy this trade according to my experience. After break this support resistance, the market didn't move down, and this candle again break this support, this resistance, and there is a POC point available, and this POC is tested with this candle with low value. So again market came here in this resistance. That's how I will buy this trade. According to my experience, this is not a trade. According to my experience, buy this trade. You can trade in the support and resistance using this value, but you have to experience in this method. Okay. There is no signals as I explained in strategy. So I think that is not easily available. You have to find. Okay, there is also POC. I will buy this trade because after test this sellers POC, and there is a huge buyers from this support area. That's why buy. Okay, this trade is only my experience. According to my experience, don't trade like this because without experience you can't trade. The experience is very important. Volatility market, very volatility market. Okay, because of the Asia session. This is the Asia session. There is no liquidity. I think now sellers perfectly break this support area, because this variant shows us the perfectly by sellers will break this candlestick, because there is a huge of sellers here. Look here, this is a huge of sellers, and also PVC is tested with high volume. I think sellers will definitely came here according to my experience. See what happens. Very volatility market. Okay, I will last this trade. Don't worry. Because this is the buyer's candle, the body is not matching with this value. According to my experience, this is not a strategy actually. My experience is telling us this candle will sell. See what happens. Okay, loss is happening, don't worry. In the next video I will cover the losses. Thank you. If any explanation strategy is available, I will tell you. Okay. Now you can see here the market is diverging here. The market is diverging here. 1, 2, 3 is decreasing and price is increasing. If the signal is available, I can show you how to trade here. But I think signal is not working. So price is increasing. The sellers is very weak here. You can see the also wick is very low. The full of seller's body is available and with low volume. That's why I will go with seller. But you have to wait for the buyer's candle here. So don't mistake here. I mistake here. This must be a buyer's candle to enter here. So I think this is a losing trade because I am not rule based. I didn't follow the rules. That's why maybe I lost this trade. So you have to wait for buyer's candle here. You have to must be a buyer's candle. Okay, I am lost. Don't worry, I am also lost in trading. I'm not worry about that. I will cover that. Okay. Thank you. If any signals available, I will make that video and I will explain the strategy which explain in paint. Okay. Also please subscribe and share. Also watch the full video. Thank you for watching the full video until the end. So this is the advanced chapter is end. So you have to watch the full video to understand the strategy. Thank you. So see you again next video. Thank you.